Welcome back to Master Your Glass with me, Livio, Lauro, and today I am joined by my great friend, David Nepove, who's going to teach us how to make a mojito. All right, David, thanks for coming to the show.
My pleasure, Livio.
You know, you are recognized for making the best mojito I've ever tried in my life. So I am so happy that you're here to show us how to make it today. The floor is yours, baby.
Great, thank you so much. Well, I always use fresh lime juice, and I'm always going to use about 3/4 of an ounce to an ounce, depending on the size of the glass. So in this case, I'm going to do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice.
Awesome.
And then a 1-to-1 simple syrup.
Gotcha.
Sugar and water.
Fantastic.
Equal parts. So now I've got 1.5 ounces of what we would call a fresh lime sour right there in the glass.
Okay. So far, so good.
Yep, and to this, you know, mojitos are all about the mint, and I'm never shy with the mint. So I'm always using at least 7 mint leaves, but I kind of prefer 15 to 20. So a nice big wad of mint is what I like to use.
Okay.
And of course, we need to get all of that, all the oils into the cocktail, into the drink. So to muddle this properly, I need to make sure that I'm going to infuse the flavor into that fresh lime sour.
Gotcha.
So I don't want to beat up the leaves, I just want to release that flavor.
Gotcha. So 3/4 of an ounce of lime, 3/4 of an ounce of simple because of the size of the glass, and then what we would consider a wad of mint.
A wad of mint.
God.
15 to 20 leaves in a perfect world.
Love it. Okay.
Now you can make this with crushed ice. I like to use regular ice. It allows me to make a more refreshing cocktail, like a little more club soda in the cocktail.
Okay.
So that's why I choose the block ice versus the crushed ice. And I'm going to do an equal amount of silver rum to my fresh lime sour.
Gotcha.
So I need 1.5 ounces of fresh lime sour, 3/4 and 3/4. So now I'll do 1.5 ounces of silver rum.
Super. Okay, 1.5 ounces of silver rum. Looking good there.
All right. And of course, we need some club soda. Make it nice and refreshing. Now at this point in time, all the flavor is in the bottom of the glass. And I don't want to take the glass and sip it because I get a mouthful of soda water. So I need to make sure that I bring all that wonderful flavor that's stuck on the bottom to the top. So just going to bring all that up, move it around, get all that flavor infused within the glass. So you have a nice, beautiful minty mojito.
Looking good.
Nice, beautiful mint sprig garnish. Give it a little spank to open up the aromatics of the mint. So when a guest picks it up, they really smell that fresh mint. And then a nice...
Well, I can smell it from here, so I know exactly what you're talking about.
And you never want to underestimate the value of a garnish. Sure. So a nice little lime wheel right inside there.
Oh, I love that. Little lime wheel tucked right in between.
Exactly.
Fantastic. Well, I'm pretty excited. Can I drink?
Please do.
All righty. Cheers, everybody. I'm going to try the mojito.
Tart and tangy, not too sweet.
Tart and tangy, not too sweet. I love it. Very sessionable, a lot more refreshing and easier to drink than most mojitos that I get, which are very cloying and super sweet and even super minty. Even though you put a lot of mint in here, it's really well balanced because of probably the addition of soda that you put in.
That's right.
You know, you're a smart guy.
I'm trying.
Oh
every
man,
day.
you are doing it. Please make sure to tune back in to Master Your Glass with me, Livio, Lauro, where you get expert instruction for everyday consumption. Salute!